Hey there, thanks for tuning into Duckbricks. I'm Chris, and today LEGO has sent me a package as part of the LEGO Ambassador Group. I have no idea what's in this. I have some sort of idea in terms of some future things they are sending me, but I'm very excited to open this up. I've gotten the go-ahead that I can go ahead and make an unboxing video if these have been revealed on LEGO.com already, which hopefully they have already been revealed. Otherwise, this will be published whenever they are revealed. And again, I've got no idea what's going to be in this, so I am very excited. Let's take a look and see what's in this package. So I'm going to try to open this up. Let's see, how can we get that there? Okay. All right, so we have, oh, I can see that. So we have a lot of LEGO Speed Champion sets. Let's take a look at that right now. I'll use the scissors to open up the rest of these. Looks like this is the new wave of LEGO Speed Champion sets early for review, which I'm very excited to showcase. So let me just open that up here. First off, we have set number 76915. This is the Pagani Utopia, and these are some of the best Speed Champion sets ever. I mean, this wave has been absolutely phenomenal. I was really excited for this one because the shaping on it looked really good, and I especially wanted to see how that new windscreen would turn out in terms of the printing, so quite excited for this. Next up, we have the Porsche 963, set number 76916. So this is another completely new type of car that looks like a windscreen we may have gotten before. That might be a new mold though. And this is, again, a lot of these are stickers, but some of them are prints as well. Very excited to put this together because they all have these really interesting building techniques for causing the shaping of the car. Looking at the real thing, maybe they could have made the front a little bit flatter. I don't know. I'd have to see this and build it in person to really do a good review on that. Next up, we have 76914 Ferrari 812 Competizione, and that is kind of more of a standard Ferrari car. I think this one to me is maybe the least interesting because the other ones have a lot more unique shaping and stuff going on. This feels more like a standard Speed Champion style car that we would expect, but still cool to get that. Finally, though, we have a two-pack. This is 76918, McLaren Solus GT and McLaren F1 LM. This is one of the ones I honestly was the most excited for because both cars look so good. You can see there's so many interesting techniques done for the shaping here. You've got like some parts angled on the sides. You have all sorts of different types of pieces being used to replicate the general shapes of the cars themselves. Yeah, this looks like a major winner to me. I was so excited to build this, and I think this was probably my most anticipated Speed Champion set. And with that, that was the entire wave of March 2023 Speed Champion sets. We'll get them in the light here, but you can see every single set right here. Now, let me know down in the comments below which one of these you actually want me to see reviewed first. I don't think I'm allowed to open up the boxes and publish reviews for another few weeks. I do have to check the exact date on that, but as soon as I am actually allowed to publish reviews on them, do definitely check that out on my channel, and please let me know in the comments which one of these four sets do you want to see reviewed first. What I'll probably do is I'll record the videos all at once and I will publish maybe a mega review of all of them first, and then weeks after that I will do individual reviews of each one, or maybe we'll do an individual review every single week and then do the mega review. Let me know what you want to see in the comments below, if you would rather prefer me do individual videos for each of these, or if you want to see me do one big video for everything. I hope you've enjoyed this look at the brand new March 1st 2023 Speed Champion sets. Can't wait to add them to my wall of other Speed Champions cars here. You can see that I'm pretty much trying to collect all of the newer style 8 stud wide cars. These are every single one they've released so far, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more cars. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that, and that will just go on my wall here, and I am running out of space. So we're gonna have to start to figure out what to do when more Speed Champion sets release. But as of right now, can't wait to add them here, and let me know which one you are most excited for as well, because this should be a really good wave. I mean, this is probably one of the best Speed Champions waves we've ever gotten in a really long time. Thank you so much for tuning into Duckbricks. Be sure to like and subscribe for even more LEGO news, reviews, discussion, and analyses coming your way very soon. Thanks so much, and bye for now.